Hello. Sasa madam,
niko poa.
Uko aje?
Niko poa.
I'm number 42.
Yes, how can I help you?
My name is Simon.
Yes, Simon.
And I was wondering kama mko na nini? Mko na Glen?
Glen, yes, tuko na ya 12, tuna ya 15 na tuko na ya 18 years.
Which
one do you want?
No, I don't like the ones that have made rounds in town so much. I want the 12 one.
Oh, 12.
Yeah, the 12 years. You know, 18 years I've really walked around this earth.
I'm sitting right away. How many glasses?
Safi na mitambo-ini ya KamemeFM mwingine geto Mansaimo.
Nina ni geto Kata toke homoka. Ile mandi atinda wera jetiare.
Magi tinda tabasara. Joda kimeta thank you basara.
Na mazoka mage kuria.
Garuya na githiti wa gukororua akiondia aya ange kukimonia tiriri.
Numo ngironia gitoero uria
guthiaga uria onetio ni athuri.
Na kirewera.
Na kiarorete gitoero iguru. Twina athuri fani. Ara ita gitoero.
Ita kamena ngari ni magira gitoero atiriri.
Bari gwatiriri. Niki basara no tararikia rethi. Gitararia. Rego na ndira mubango wa kuinuka. Aza. Maizama basara ri. Especially maraithio to ikarire ri. That was fun.
Yes, a lot of fun.
And we wasted a lot of our time and we didn't regret. Ore ato ko ne gwetu hindi yole. Hivi tokirare gatagate ga masiezi ya 50. Tokirare hau.
Talevi tutake kimono horo wago ugote maluga ngigo toigira gari tuzokete.
Ugikate ya naba wa 5 ko. Mena wa idhaje. Kodire abachara ni chikara wega. Eni. Hali amarubi.
Yes.
Kane maruwe na marubi. Twari kia kure hala rugongo harasi na gonya maheta ko hao. Kongo maito. Twari kia kongo maito.
Ugathi marubi.
Wathi marubi.
Yes.
Withanage ko wirumu.
Ugacoka ukaigira hali ya centro ukamboka rumaka kindu hau.
Imagine kwaje the imagine. We baza ukimenya kuhura kindu gitagwo thimu cia rumu. Hello. Tipo nyumba thiri riu. Ari kana re hora kwa nyumba thiri.
Ino ya kire hinya gwo zero.
Ni kwa na receptionist. Ari na receptionist. Hello. Sasa madam,
niko poa.
Uko aje?
Niko poa.
I'm number 42.
Yes, how can I help you?
My name is Simon.
Yes, Simon.
And I was wondering kama mko na nini? Mko na Glen?
Glen, yes, tuko na ya 12, tuna ya 15 na tuko na ya 18 years. Which one do you want?
No, I don't like the ones that have made rounds in town so much. I want the 12 one.
Oh, 12.
Yeah, the 12 years. You know, 18 years I've really walked around this earth.
I'm sitting right away. How many glasses?
Ni hedo hana mundu kirangoro ora hithania waya ingi na ku. Kamwera ara ngrathi gire na wika. Kuindo zingetonya na mambarita.
Let's keep.
And you wonder what are you doing in this world?
And you are taking things that are supposed to be taken by men.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Na hedo na rege ona kupi mwende iro guthiaga mbeca ukeheagwo ni arata. Maigua ni uragera ku.
Mathire kwa atazio.
Ndio radio kiganithagia nacio marubi. Wazoka okara karatina eta wadara karatina.
Tu list.
Dia tu list. Wa ukire Starbucks.
Oh, Starbucks.
Ewe kuniwe
kusema.
Urambata ngoro baiguru. Umoragia nike kwina mwatuka.
Abasari tena je gari ne sisoka na Nairobi.
Manager eta waro ko Starbucks wetha go Martin. Ikano amuririkana.
Yes.
Watonya ko kamwe atiriri. Na unjethele gite gitari hakwina mwatuka. Ikinywa njo ya goro hakwina mwatuka na endele tama baby. We are poppers.
Yeah. Because we enjoyed life when it was too high.
We are just the paupers and we are complaining like everybody else in this government. No, about this government.
And they know what we did last summer.
Ila tutake kiuria. Atareli. Toke kile andu amwe na matamenyaga indo ciumaga supermarket. Na rura tuma mukagu ale hakira ningi nayo gakwire tathiri ugacoka na supermarket uthie gukombea prices macio ndona kugura wena kathari kau arokire nako ugacoka supermarket iyo kana nego athira ari na mundu Mansaimo amucamire wathie korora tukitwe hau hapa ni patuko yes where else kwani twatheria wa time wega yes na mundu umwe tugukomplain mono nego amuri yes because he's one of the people who would encourage us and welcome us yes magei wiri atini twagia kanyamu wene gutunyitaga ogeni exactly agatwira athuri ta inyu matienda gutukana kuria muno ni ikarai haha na guthia haria mbere Friday tene kuigithia mukimo Mansaimo nakata mauta yatigara mikimo iri ndukendie Mansaimo nakata mauta kugera hapo kimo yatigara mikimo iri ndukendie let me tell you imagine haro mundu akomundu uhota kugura mugunda ari akwe na JKIA na higo nokora ugikwererie ukigura utawara na higo ukwererie kiharo na higo lazima manirati nagie sema nende atinanga hiyo na 15 aikagera kugira 10 siagora kona installment okale hagriko mitano kaheo mieri 3 wazema ya mona gakwa ndonire ngiri haria kianda haria murenderio okego andu ena ngiri na muruthi ni ari Zimaman yes go ina kadagato or tanas yes na duda karo pena hau I'm telling you kuthi kumira na kule duda bypass kugwa the yes nire kwa dina gagio na wakirari gwamuri agakwera we jerira maria nyamu tumetura tune twanyu ni meha muri mwarikia kuma marubi ya boima marubi na thiko ithatu takinyita kuria uikara ara ndiko ria uikara oimbira kwa Friday yes riu mwena mundu gwitwa ria Sunday gwamuri mwena gwamuri Sunday ukira kirete ugeciria tene hindi ukuinuka uko na hama maingi atuika ni irie ku na timona timana ke hoka githiwaga kagura maitha no maya na mone ithambio and then we aged very poor men because of making very illiterate decisions. All our friends are owners of real estate. I'm telling you. In Kamuru, that's where they started. Yeah. A bypass. Yes, the ones that Kamuru Ruai. That's where they are. And some are in Kamakis. Yes. They have high-rise building. We are still living in, and with people who are asking for rent. Gara gitwara ugona gataigu atari ngano cia marimu gitwara gitwara afuatite makinya maitu wega muno andari handu arahingicithania aragenio no korwa ati rwimbo araro ino ria kwagiriire 2022 ri akuka 2022 ona 2022 dale kwa kameme ndale MC mukari muno gugetaniro MC atatu ari akari muno gikuyu-ini kwa njara kengure ndahuraga wira na Ibasa ngacoka ngaikuruka Murang'a the same night ngari akweri yes ikorari hia 66 ngekira mondo seno wantu ndi gari na andu akwa wira makare 20 gatigwa na bote korode sawa sawa. At least 20 years to come from now. No, you'll be gnashing his teeth. Wondering what happened. Yes, wondering what happened. Yeah. And all his friends will be owners of nice cars and flats, big real estate, and others will be very prominent figures in government. Like our friends. Yeah. Who are very prominent. Yes, when you call them, they can tell you I'll call you back. No, nowadays they don't even pick. And they call you Kamudu ka radio. Utura kwa njini. Kwa yuka hono kare.